Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 5 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 5, My Beloved Pakistan. SLOs of this lesson are identify and practice personal pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we and they in our everyday conversations. Page number 38 of your textbook, we have a grammar section here about pronouns. We are going to learn about pronouns here. I hope you are familiar with the pronouns. Pronoun is a part of speech which replaces the noun. And we avoid repetition and use pronoun in our conversation or writings. Like pronoun, a pronoun is a word that takes place of a common noun or a proper noun. There are different kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns. The words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are called personal pronouns. They take the place of nouns and are used as the subject of the verb in a sentence. Pronoun किसकी जगह लेता है? Subject की. Subject is the doer of the action, is the main thing of the action in a sentence. The subject of a sentence is a noun that performs the action. For examples, my name is Daud. I am the youngest in the family. Here, you can see I is a pronoun here. Second example, this is my father. He is a teacher. He is a pronoun here. He here replaces the father and I here replaces the Daud, the boy Daud here. The third example here, this is my mother. She is a lawyer. She is about the mother here. These both are connected. This is about one person here. But we replaces it with the pronoun she here. Example 4, I have a brother and two sisters. I here, the pronoun. They are Umar, Hira and Saima. Hira and Saima are they here. Like this is about Hira and Saima. They. This is about one person. They and Hira and Saima. Hira and Saima separate and together. Form of pronoun here, they. Now let's move forward. I have a dog. It is called Lucky. The dog and Lucky is the same here. Same animal here. And I here. And it here. I and it here is a pronoun. Lucky, you are a good dog. You is a pronoun here. Good morning, children. You may sit down now. This person is addressing to children here. So children and the you. You is a pronoun here. We replaces children in pronoun you. My family and I live in a big city. We have an apartment. I here is a personal pronoun and also we is a personal pronoun. The words me, you, him, her, it, us, them are also personal pronouns. They also take places of noun. These pronouns are used as the object of the verb in a sentence. The object of a sentence is a noun that receives the action. Subject is the doer of the action. And the verb is an activity and object which received the action. Look, here are some examples. I am standing on my head. Look at me. I here and me here pronoun. My mother is kind. Everybody likes her. Here the her is pronoun. Example 3. Sidra and Zubair, Abu is waiting for you. Here the you is pronoun. Ramiz and I are playing in the park. Father is watching us. I and us is also a pronoun. You must not play with the knife. Give it to me. You and me is the pronoun here. Pick up your toys and put them away. Them. Talking about the toys here. We replaces it with the pronoun them. Then baby birds cannot fly. Mother bird has to feed them. Them is about the baby birds here. Temur likes riding my bicycle. I sometimes lend it to him. I here and Him here, the pronoun, it also pronoun. It's talking about the bicycle here. And Timur here is him. So we avoid the repetition and replaces the noun with the pronouns. Remember, there are three groups of pronoun: first person, second person, and third person. The person who is speaking is the first person. The first person pronouns are I or me in the singular and we and us in the plural. The person spoken is to call the second person. The second person pronoun is you in both singular and plural. The person or animal or thing spoken about is called the third person. The third person pronouns are he or him, she or her, and it in the singular. We have seen all these examples here and here. And they or them in the plural. The word is I is always spelled with a capital letter. The pronoun he is used for men and boys, she for women and girls, and it for things and animals. Here is a table to help you. First person singular is I, me. Second person singular is you and you. Third person singular he, she, it, him, her, or it. He, she, or it can be in subject, or him, her, or it in object form. First person plural we and us. Second person plural you and you. The third person plural is they or them. Always remember the subject and the object. Subject is the doer of the action and object who receives the action. Page number 40 here of your textbook. Section A of your exercise. Draw a line to join each of the subject pronouns to object pronoun that matches. The first has been done for you. We have gone through the table of personal pronouns, the first, second, and third pronouns. Now you have to match this. I will be matched with which pronoun here? Us and we. I and, yes, it's very easy. You can do this. I and me here. Yes. And the he, obviously it's a masculine pronoun here. He and him. She and, yes, she matched with her. And they, them. And you, yes, you will pair with you here. And the we is already paired. Yes, which one is remaining? Yes, it here is remaining. It will be paired with, yes, it. The section B here, fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. Sirat is not well. Father is taking to a doctor. Sirat is here the feminine noun. So, which pronoun we will choose here? Feminine noun है सीरत, इधर female है, तो उसके लिए हम कौन सा pronoun choose करेंगे? Father is taking to a doctor. आप किसी भी sentence को pronounce करके देखें, grammatically जो आपको ठीक लग रहा वही उसमें pronoun choose करें. So the father is taking what? Yes, her to a doctor. The second one, my brother is a teacher. Teaches English. Here the brother is masculine noun. So we will choose him or he here. So which one is correct? My brother is a teacher. He teaches English. No. Yes, he teaches English. The third one here, all his students like very much. His. So this sentence here is kind of related to this sentence. This is about the brother, that he's a teacher and all his students like very much. We replaces the brother here, his. The pronoun we use, his brother, this is a possessive pronoun which shows relationship. All his students, the students belong to him because he's a teacher. So, this is about the same brother. This sentence is about the same brother. Yes, all his students like him very much. The fourth one, who are those people? Where are there refers to the plural nouns here. Lots of. So, which pronoun we will choose here? They or them? Where are them from? Is it correct grammatically? No. Where are they from? Is the right option. I want you to fill these blanks with the correct pronouns by yourself. This is your homework from summer pack of personal pronouns. This is again your homework from Summer Pick, page number 30. We also have an activity here. Get 2 cards of different colors and write personal pronouns. On the one, names, on the other, paste them below. So you have to get 2 cards of different colors and write personal pronouns on the one and names on the other. This is the first person, this is the second person, this is the third person. We have gone through this. Revise your lesson again and do this activity. And this is your homework from textbook. This is the page from Unit 5 of My Beloved Pakistan. You have to choose the personal pronoun from this text here. Just give it a read and identify all the personal pronouns from this page. I hope you will do your homework and enjoy this lesson. Thank you.